By clicking on the test object, you can open the General Test Object page. On this page, the settings related to the object or the device being tested are adjusted. In fact, this object can be a relay. To enter the information of the relay on this page, there are several ways. In the first case, the user reads all the information of the relay from the catalog and enters the information manually. For example, to enter the nominal specifications of the relay, you can double-click on the device in the service setting page, in the nominal values section, and enter frequency and nominal voltage of the PTs, as well as the nominal current of the CTs. Also, it is possible to enter information such as device name, serial number, and etc. In the device section, after that, to save the information, it is necessary to click on OK. It should be noted that whatever is in the device block on the device setting page also exists in the device block tree diagram, and the values can be entered here too. For example, there is a series of information about nominal values of the device, substation, bay, nominal values, and etc. You can also find this information in the branches of device tree diagram. This means that in the nameplate section, you can also find information about device's ID, or in the nominal values section, you can find information about the nominal values of the relay. If Vebko is entered in the value field in the device name row in the nameplate section, by opening the device page, this word is also recorded in the intended section. In fact, these two sections are linked and interchanges simultaneously. After entering the nominal values of the relay manually, it is also necessary to manually enter the specifications of the protective function. For example, to enter the specifications of the distance protective function, you can enter the related information such as tolerances, length and angle of the line by clicking on distance block. In the distance protective parameters page, you can also draw the relay zones according to the catalog under the zone setting on this page. To do this, click on New to open a new row and then click on Edit, and in the Open page, enter the zone information according to the relay catalog and then click on OK. After that, you can see the zone is drawn. By opening the distance block, the entered information can be seen in the form of a tree diagram. For example, the information related to zone is displayed in this section too. You should note that these sections are linked. To enter information of function, such as differential and overcurrent, you can click on the related block and enter the information. After entering the relay information manually, by clicking on OK, you can import the settings to the software and continue the test. You can enter a value in the upper right corner of the value field, and the software displays the parameters that have this value. You can also search for your intended word by entering it in the tree section. For example, by entering 132 in value, the parameters that have this value are displayed, and if the word distance is entered, this block and its subcategories are displayed in a highlighted mode. There are two options of OK and Cancel on the bottom of the page. OK is used to enter the information and Cancel is used to cancel entering the information. If you check Show or Hide option on the bottom, you can change the status of the lower window to Hidden or Visible, which will be fully explained in future videos. The important point is that some of the relays provide the user with the settings as real file. By directing loading, all the settings of the relay are entered to the software automatically, and there is no need for mutual insertion of the information.